Ta-da! What? Oh, I'm holding it the wrong way. Ta-da! 9, 10, 11, 12. Done.
So 255.
255.
You are the blueberries float. So careful.
Come on. Hi guys, today we're gonna make the strawberry jams for mooncakes. We have 255 grams of strawberries, so we need 127.5 grams of sugar.
Yes.
Right now we need to chop the strawberries into smaller pieces so we can make the jam.
And right now I'm trying to weigh the sugar for 127.5 grams.
So now we need to pour the sugar into the strawberries. All of it. Hurry up!
No. It's like poor stuff.
Now it's time to cook. Now we put the pot into the fire.
It's time to mix it.
The pot's hot itself. Pour the jam into this blue pot, little one. So now we're gonna make this blueberry jam. And first we need to squash it with this. Now we're gonna use this lemon juice and squeeze it into this. Make sure the seeds are out. There's no more. So since the strawberry jam are too sweet, we decided to use fewer sugar, so it's less sweet. Done. 110 grams. Let's cook.
Can I have your turn? Please.